Where's the water come out?
Water come out. I go hide.
Did I hide again?
He's so good. He says it just right.
The water comes out of a hole?
Yeah, the water comes out a hole.
He's talking about a water fountain. He was telling us that the water comes out of a hole. And Papa thought it was so silly. We go for a stroll and there's water that comes out of a fountain, and the water does come out of a hole. So if you just kind of emphasize it a certain way, it sounds a little interesting. Where's the water come out, Jacob? Huh? Jacob? I know, but I see you.
Did you say a-hole, Papa?
What, honey? Do you like the water? You're silly.
I'll take a picture tomorrow.
Okay.
Let the way to take a picture off.
I will. Okay, we're saying off. Bye.